The district magistrate of Jiribam, T.H. Manoranjan Singh, has prohibited the use of crackers and fireworks during the upcoming Diwali festival in the entire Jiribam district, Manipur. The order issued on October 30 cites the volatile law and order situation in the state and the need to avoid confusion and panic among the public. The decision aims to prevent any misuse of crackers or fireworks that could cause annoyance, security concerns, and endanger lives and property. The order emphasizes the possibility of serious breaches of peace and public tranquility, as well as the danger to human lives and properties should such misuse occur. As a result, the district magistrate has exercised his powers under the law to prohibit the use of crackers or fireworks during the Diwali celebrations in the Jiribam district. The ban will remain in effect immediately, and until further notice, the order is being widely circulated to ensure public awareness and compliance.